Hello everyone, in this video I will guide you how you can create a packing list from invoice. So once you create an invoice, we do have an option and functionality of creating a packing list from TranZact. How you can do so? Go to all modules, click on sales and purchase. After that, you need to open this particular transaction in which you want to create the packing list. Now go below, please check the invoice is created. What I will do, I will open this particular invoice. Now, from where I can go ahead and create the packing list, on your right hand side, very bottom, you will see an option of drop down just next to the generate e-waybill. Click on this. Now, here is the package list option. Once you will click on package list, please check all the details will come. The invoice to, delivery location, invoice from, place of supply, primary document details. Go below. After going below, you can fill the transport document number, vehicle number, document date. Here is the option of items. Now you can manually mention the package type, or you can simply import items from invoice. So once I selected import items from invoice, all the details came here. Now what I need to do, I need to go ahead and mention the package type. It is box. Package number, package number can be internal. Batch number, number of packages, so it is 5 packages. What is the net weight, gross weight, volumetric weight, total net weight, total gross weight? These all details you can mention. So it is 2. Please check. This is how I fill the details. I can mention any comment here. Now go below, click on save and send, and this particular package list is created. This is how your package list will look like against the invoice. I hope this video will be helpful to you in order to create a packing list from invoice. Have a good day ahead.